Is someone logged into your Instagram account and you want to get them out? Or maybe you just want to log yourself out of Instagram on a shared device. In this video, I'll show you how to do both quickly and easily. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the simple steps, and you'll be all set. First of all, let's open up the Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on Security. After that, tap on Login Activity. And now you'll see all the devices that are logged into your Instagram account along with their locations. So now all you have to do next is find any devices that you don't recognize and might be someone else's, and then tap on these three little dots right next to that login and then tap on Log Out. So now that will log that person out of your Instagram account on that device. And you can also tap on Change Password to change the password of your Instagram account to a new one, which will prevent them from logging back into your Instagram account in the future. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.